Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your Varo savings account number and routing number. If you don't have a Varo account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50 when you join and spend $20 within 30 days of account opening. However, if you already have an account, just open the website varomoney.com, then click on Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says My Varo. On the left side menu of this page, you will see an option for account numbers. Click on Account Numbers. On this page, you will see a section for Varo Savings Account. Then at the lower part, you will see an option for Show Account Numbers. Slide the toggle button to the right to show the account number. Now you will see your savings account number and routing number. That's how you view your Varo savings account number and routing number. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.